Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss trigonometry, very short answer type questions. I am going to make trigonometry VSQ videos, 3 to 4 videos I am going to make, which are very important for the boards, whether it is Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. It will help you a lot, you can utilize. Let us have a discussion. The first question here. If cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. First, given. What is the value of given? Given cos theta plus sin theta is equal to square root of 2 into cos theta. After writing of this step, what we have to do is, here cos theta is there, no, like term cos theta is there. This cos theta we are taking into the RHS. So now it will becomes sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Here cos theta we are taking from LHS to RHS minus cos theta. Now take common cos theta. The rest of the term is root 2 minus 1. So therefore sin theta equal to cos theta into root 2 minus 1. So here the rationalizing factor of root a minus b is root a plus b. So rationalizing with respect to numerator. Numerator is root 2 minus 1. So multiplying and dividing by root 2 plus 1. Cos theta into root 2 minus 1. Multiplying and dividing by root 2 plus 1. So sin theta equal to, this is the value. That implies that sin theta equal to, here a minus b into a plus b. So cos theta into root 2 whole square, that is 2 minus 1 square, 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here you can write it as we are applying here a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square formula. Here cross multiply sin theta into root 2 plus 1 equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into cos theta is cos theta. After that, each and every term multiplying with sin theta. So root 2 sin theta plus 1 into sin theta is equal to cos theta. They are asking to find cos theta minus sin theta. So here simply sin theta we are taking into RHS. Therefore cos theta is already there. Sin theta we are taking into this side. So minus sin theta, which is equal to, what are the rest of the terms? Root 2 sin theta. Root 2 sin theta. Therefore, cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Hence the result. The next question. If 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, then find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Sorry. Given 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5. Put that as equation number 1. They are asking to calculate 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta value. So they did not given. So what we are assuming is, here let 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to, we don't know means we are assuming that k simply. You can assume that as equation number 2. You remember that, dear students, whenever in the equation sin and cos combination is there, both the equations you have to do that squaring on both sides and then add. So whenever the combination of sine and cos is there, squaring on both sides, otherwise we will write like this: 1 square plus 2 square, squaring on both sides, both the equations, and we are adding. That implies that 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square, this side first squaring, plus 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 5 square plus k square. Now expanding, here a plus b whole square, here a minus b whole square, but both a and b are not equal here. First you have to do the expansion of this one. 9 sin square theta plus 16 cos square theta plus 2 into 3 into 4. 6 4 is 24 sin theta cos theta plus again a minus b whole square expansion, 16 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta equal to 25 plus k square. Here plus 24 sin theta cos theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta get cancelled. First sin square theta, 9 sin square theta plus 16 sin square theta. So 25 sin square theta. 16 cos square theta plus 9 cos square theta. 25 cos square theta. Which is equal to 25 plus k square. From these two, 25 take common. 25 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 25 plus k square. Since we have the value sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, so this bracket value will become as 1. 25 into 1 equal to 25 plus k square. So 25 equal to 25 plus k square. From this k square I am making as a subject. So k square equal to 25 minus 25. K square equal to 0. So k equal to 0. What is k we assume there? K is equal to, that is 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, which is equal to k, which is equal to 0. That's the answer. The next question. Prove that cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20 equal to 1. So first of all, instead of cot pi by 20, we have to write in the degrees. See, first we will simplify pi by 20. Pi means what? 180 degrees divided by 20, which is equal to 9 degrees. So wherever pi by 20 is there, you have to replace with 9 degrees. Therefore, it will becomes cot 9 degrees, cot 3 into 9 degrees, 3 into 9, 27 degrees, into cot 5 into 9, 45 degrees, into cot 7 into 9, 63 degrees, cot 9 into 9 degrees, 81 degrees. This is LHS. Before this step, we have to write whatever it is given, that also we should write it. LHS, which is equal to cot 9. Here two ways I am going to explain. cot 9 into cot 81, you can write as the product of two terms, and cot 27 and cot 63, cot 27 into cot 63. So the rest of the term is cot 45. What is the value of cot 45? Cot 45 is 1. Cot 45 value is 1. Here we are going to apply, if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, then cot A into cot B is equal to 1. You remember that. This is important note. So here 81 plus 9, 90 degrees. So cot A into cot B is equal to 1. By using that formula, 27 plus 63, even that sum of these two angles also equal to 1. 90, therefore it will become 1. Cot 45 is 1, which is required RHS. This is one way. This is method 1. By using this formula, if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, cot A, cot B is equal to 1. That is one category. Method 2 here I am going to explain. Method 2. LHS cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20. Anyway, pi by 20 is 9 degrees, so it will becomes cot 9. Here cot 27, cot 45, here cot 63, cot 81. In this step, what I am going to do is, till here same step. Here cot 81 and cot 63, in terms of 9 and 27, I am going to make that. So which is equal to cot 9 degrees, cot 27 degrees, cot 45 value is 1, no need to write it, directly write it as 1. Cot 63 can be written as cot of 90 minus 27 in terms of 27. Next, cot 81 can be written as cot of 90 minus 9 degrees. We know that cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. So it will becomes cot 9 into cot 27 into here 1 cot 90. Cot of 90 minus theta tan 27 into tan 9 degrees. After reaching of this step, cot 9 degrees into tan 9 degrees. Next, cot 27 into tan 27. We know that tan A can be written as 1 by cot A only. Know the reciprocal of cot is tan cross multiply. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. By using this property, cot A into tan A is equal to 1. So here both angles are equal now. Cot 27 into tan 27, that value is also equal to 1. So this bracket value is 1. This bracket value is also 1. Is already 1 here. So which is equal to 1, which is required RHS. Whichever the method is easy for you, that you can follow. Not compulsory this method or this method. That is your wish. But while writing this method, you have to write it this property. If a plus b equal to 90, then cot a into cot b is equal to 1. You have to write it compulsory. The next question. Prove that cos 12 degrees plus cos 84 degrees plus cos 132 degrees cos 156 degrees equal to minus 1 by 2. See here, first consider LHS. Consider LHS. Cos 12 plus cos 84 degrees plus cos 132 plus cos 156. After that, here like this, if you go, it will be easy. First and third term, second and fourth term. So which is equal to cos 12 plus cos 132 plus cos 84 plus cos 156. Cos C plus cos D. We have formula cos C plus cos D. What is the formula for cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So here C is 12 and D is 132, which is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2, 12 plus 132 degrees by 2, C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2, cos 12 minus 132 divided by 2. The first term, the first bracket value is over, plus 2 into cos 84 plus 156 divided by 2, cos of 84 minus 156 divided by 2. So which is equal to 2 into cos of 132 plus 12. So 144 divided by 2. Cos of 132 minus 132 plus 12, 120 minus 120. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So minus 120 by 2 plus 2 into cos of 156 and 84. (240 by 2) cos of minus 72 by 2, which is equal to 2 into cos 72 degrees, 144 by 2, cos of minus 60 degrees plus 2 into cos 120 degrees, cos of minus 36. Here you have to know that cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, first thing. So wherever cos of minus theta is there, it will become cos theta. Next, cos 60 value is 1 by 2, and cos 120, cos of 90 plus 30, so minus sin 30, so minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to 2 into cos 72. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, cos 60 value is 1 by 2, plus 2 into cos 120 minus 1 by 2. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos 36. So here 2 get cancelled, here 2 get cancelled. cos 72 degrees minus cos 36 degrees. Here we have to know about cos 72 equal to sin 18. Why? Because cos of 90 minus 18, which is equal to sin 18. Do you know the value of sin 18? Sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. At the same time, cos 36, it is very easy. Cos 36 is degrees equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Easy to remember these things, very important. So now in place of cos 72, we have to replace with sin 18. Sin 18 degrees minus cos 36. So sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 minus root 5 plus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to root 5, LCM is 4, root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1, plus root 5 minus root 5 get cancelled, minus 2 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 RHS. They are asking to prove this result is equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence we got it. You have to remember these important properties, these important points, formulas. The next question. Prove that cos 100 into cos 40 plus sin 100 into sin 40 equal to 1 by 2. This is the basic question. If you know the formula of cos of A minus B, you are going to get the answer. See here, observe the LHS. Cos 100 into cos 40. It is in the form of cos A, cos B. A value 100, B value 40. Sin A, sin B. A value 100, B value 40. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B is the formula for cos of A minus B. So now, consider cos 100 into cos 40 plus sin 100 into sin 40, which is equal to cos of 100 minus 40. Here we are going to apply the formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, which is equal to cos of A minus B. By applying this formula, A is equal to 100, B is equal to 40. Cos of 100 minus 40, cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. RHS. They are asking to prove the result. Hence, we got it. Come to the second question. Here, they are asking to find this value. This type of question is very important. Here, this is the direct question by using the formula. Here, in the question number 6, if you observe that, find the value of cos 42, cos 78, cos 162. Here, all are 42 nearby 60 degrees is there. So, how much you have to add for the 60? 18 degrees. Here, 78, can we express as 60 plus 18? And 162, 180 minus 18. So, all we can write in terms of 18. So, now consider cos 42 plus cos 78 plus cos 162. So, first cos 42 can be written as cos of 60 minus 18. Cos 42 can be written as 60 minus 18. 78 can be written as 60 plus 18 plus cos of 60 plus 18. Cos 162 can be written as cos of 180 minus 18. We know that For these two, you can apply formula. Here, which formula we are going to apply? Cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B equal to 2 cos A cos B. So now 2 cos A, that means cos 60 into cos 18. So this bracket value is over. Come to the last one. We know that cos of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So here theta value is what? 18. So minus cos 18. 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos 18 minus cos 18. Here 2 get cancelled. Cos 18 degrees minus cos 18 degrees, which is equal to 0. Therefore, conclusion step. Cos 42 plus cos 78 plus cos 162. The value is equal to 0. They are asking to find, they are not asking to prove that. So find the value. This value is equal to 0. The next question. Find the value of sin 34 degrees plus cos 64 degrees minus cos 4 degrees. Now consider the value. Consider sin 34 plus cos 64 minus cos 4 degrees. Here, last two terms, if you observe that cos C minus cos D, what is the formula for cos C minus cos D? Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. This is the formula for cos C minus cos D. So here, the first term sin 34 degrees, we can keep like this only, plus this is C, this is D, cos C minus cos D. Here minus 2 into, keep bracket, better, sin C plus D by 2, sin C plus D by 2, 64 plus 4 divided by 2, sin 64 minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to sin 34 minus into plus is minus 2 into sin of 64 plus 4, 68 divided by 2, sin 64 minus 4, 60 by 2, which is equal to sin 34 degrees minus 2 into sin 34 degrees, 2 ones are 2 34s, 2 ones are 2 30, sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. So, sin 34 degrees minus 2 into sin 34 degrees, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, here 2 get cancelled, which is equal to sin 34 degrees minus sin 34 degrees, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the given value sin 34 degrees plus cos 64 degrees minus cos 4 degrees, which is equal to 0. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. In the coming video, another set of VSQs, very short answers questions from trigonometry functions up to transformations. I am going to make 2 to 3 videos based on only VSQs from trigonometry. After that, I will enter into the short answer question. After that, I will enter into the long answer type questions. Like this, I will make the videos. It will be better for the benefit for the students. The type of questions you can practice. Especially you understand that in VSAQs, more answers will come there. So most of the formulas also will come here. That is the reason I have selected first VSAQs. Thank you dear students for watching my channel.